안녕하세요. JK 한국어입니다. We're gonna study assimilation of consonants today. Assimilation refers to a phonological change whereby a sound assimilates to become similar to a neighboring sound. There are only two things that you need to know. When pronunciation of Batchim is g, d, b, and it's followed by n or m sound, they become n, m sound. This is about Batchim that ends in a stop sound like kat, kat, kap. When these letters are followed by n or m, the Batchim sound changes to one of these.
Huh?
No worries, it's a lot easier with examples. First one is g sound. As a Batchim, these three consonants make same sound like English K, which is Korean g sound. Kak, kak, kak. All of them sound the same. Kak. Look at the first letters of the examples. Kuk, mok, muk. All of them end in g sound. And these are followed by m or n sound. In this case, if you want to read it as it is, your mouth and tongue has to be quite busy. 국물, 먹는다, 묵는다. So in this case, this Batchim sound becomes sound. So just try to make it a little easier by following your intuition. 국물, 국물. Yes, right. It becomes to sound. 국물. 먹는다, 묵는다. Second examples. D sound. When you see the letter D or T as a Batchim, it sounds like T in English. Like when we read this, we read it as kat, kat. Exactly same. And this Batchim sound is closing sound like T in English, kat. Let's see examples. First letters of these are pat, put, tat. When it's followed by n sound, we don't read it as 받는다, 붙는다, 닫는다, because these 받침 sounds become n sound. So we read them as 받는다, 붙는다, 닫는다. What about these? When you see these consonants as 받침, how do you read them? 갓, 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 갓. It's all same sound. 갓. These end English T and Korean D sound. In this case, this sound becomes N sound. Let's see examples. First letters. By itself, we read it as it, not kat. That means these 받침 sounds are same as the 받침. So, when it's followed by N sound, we have to read them as 있는, 넣는, 갖는. There is no complication. It's pretty intuitive, right? Third one, b sound 받침, b or p as 받침. These are also stop consonants, so when we read them, it's like 갑, 갑. It makes exactly same sound. English p or Korean b sound. Let's see some examples. First letters and then stop consonants, so we read them as 돕, 앞, 잡. And when it's followed by n or m sound, they assimilate to m sound. We read them as 돕는다 instead of 돕는다. 앞마당 instead of 앞마당. 잡는다 instead of 잡는다. assimilation between 리을 and 니은. Before I explain about this, let's read it first. 난로. It's pretty difficult to pronounce. In fact, there are many Korean words that has 니은, 리을 together like this. So one of these two needs to assimilate to the other. By the way, the right pronunciation of this word is 날로. 날로. This is the rule. When 니은 and 리을 are followed each other, 니은 sound assimilates to 리을. There are three examples. First, the letters have 니은 and 리을 받침, and they are followed by 리을 and 니은. Therefore, to make easier pronunciation, 니은 assimilates to 리을. So first one, we don't read it as 신라, but we read it as 실라. Second one, 날로. Third one, 칼날. Moreover, when nasal consonants such as 미음, 잉 are followed by 리을, it becomes н sound. These first letters have 미음 or 이응 받침, and these are followed by 리을. In this case, 리을 becomes н sound. Let's read them together. First one, 침략. Second one, 강능. Third one, 금리. Fourth one, 등록. Now let's see how you can read Korean sentences like native Korean speakers. Please read it correctly. 나는 앞마당에 있는 아버지를 돕는다. 나는 앞마당에 있는 아버지를 돕는다. 저기 국물을 먹는 사람이 누구예요? 저기 국물을 먹는 사람이 누구예요? 앞마당에서 모기 잡는 사람이 누구예요? 앞마당에서 모기 잡는 사람이 누구예요? 댓글에 남겨주세요. Leave your answer in the comments below. Thank you. Have fun. 감사합니다. 다음 시간에 다시 만나요. 안녕.